Hi, and welcome to our craft instructional video. Today, we are making a rotary phone to help the kids remember that God can speak to us through people. To make this craft, we will need the templates of both the receiver and the dial. We'll also need a toilet paper core, scissors, yarn, and double-sided tape. Now let's do some pre-service preparations. First, just cut one piece of the receiver and one piece of the dial. Attach a piece of double-sided tape on the bottom of the receiver and attach double-sided tape on the back of the dial. It should be in a vertical position. Next, measure 2 phone lengths of yarn and cut. Next, take your toilet paper core and attach a piece of double-sided tape on the bottom. The complete craft kit must contain receiver, dial, and toilet paper core with double-sided tape attachments and a piece of yarn. Now to assemble this in class, simply color the receiver and the dial. Next, attach the string to the receiver and to the toilet paper core. Lastly, stick the dial on the center of the toilet paper core. And that's it. We're done now with the craft. Thanks for watching.